Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 multi-air engine guys. You can find that engine in both of these vehicles. If you guys have engine light on and any of the following three codes, I'm talking about code P2307, code P2308 or code P2309 guys, stay with us. We will explain most likely what causes these codes and how to fix it. Now, we have the engine out of the car because guys, we did an engine replacement, and in the meantime we made about 100 videos guys, how to remove and replace every component on that engine, how to do anything guys on it, pretty much. Everything from small sensor replacement to head gasket, timing chains and all that stuff. In addition, we're in the process of making about 100 videos for engine codes, diagnostics and common problems. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. Now, many of you guys constantly leave comments in the comment section below asking us where we get all the tools and parts from to fix specific problems that we discuss in the video. We guys share the links in the description of the video below. And another common question that we always get is what scanner we recommend. This is the device right here. As you know, we have multiple scanners at the shop, at least 10 of them that we use, but this is the number one that I use the most guys. I like it due to the fact that it's affordable. Okay, to the point that it can pay itself off in one-time use. It works on all American cars, pretty much all European cars guys, and it works on all Asian vehicles, especially the ones that we get here in the US. So amazing too guys, they constantly release updates. You can access every computer in your car, read, delete codes and see live data. So that being said, this is the engine guys. Now the codes that we talked about, any of these three codes guys, you will need to remove your upper engine cover. It will be like that. So you have to grab it with two hands and just firmly pull it up on each side. Okay, it attaches to 4 different posts on the engine. Okay, right here you can see just rubber bushing goes on top of these posts. Now I have everything pre-loosened here guys, so it won't be as easy, but I want to show you where the problem is. If you want to see the replacement video of that part, we will have it on the channel. Once you guys remove that intake air duct, on top you can see all 4 ignition coils of your engine. This is for cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4 guys. It's a 4-cylinder engine. You start with cylinder number 1 on the very left side, towards the right, cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the coils that we have, 2307, 8 and 9, they relate to ignition coil for cylinder number 3. Things to check guys, make sure wiring harness is not broken, not cracked. From heat sometimes it can become fragile. Sometimes we had a case where a mouse ate the cables for the ignition coil. Make sure that actually the connector here is plugged all the way in. Okay, that red thing, you pull it out, press down and you disconnect the ignition coil. Now when you reconnect them, it's super important to push all the way in. There is one rubber seal that it's really hard to get in. That's why you don't want water to get in there, or humidity guys. So press in, and when it's all the way in, you can push the red piece in, otherwise it won't be able to lock in place. If it's not a broken wire, loose connector, it's most likely guys ignition coil. We'll have the link in the description of the video below, and we have a video on the channel that explains how to replace one as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find that problem, fix that problem. Hopefully it will guide you in the right direction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.